Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check in British Airways online. So you can check in online for a British Airways flight from the web browser or your phone. So firstly open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down British Airways and search for it. So from here click onto this British Airways in the top. So over here you need to scroll a bit down until you find this interface here. So over here what you can do is you need to click onto this check-in here on the below. Under the check-in here, you can simply check in over here, or you can also find the booking reference here. And under the booking reference, you can find a booking reference if you have an e-ticket or a paper ticket. So over here, you can simply click on any of the item here, your last name exactly as it appears on your booking. You can select the passengers and flights you want to check in for and confirm or change your seat if eligible. And after that, you can start check-in over here. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.